Hello friends, hello students, Darin Martineau here from Master Magic Shop. And in this video, I'm going to do a review of the magic convention that I just attended, and that is the Utah Magic Fest, and it was absolutely incredible. So it was February 6th, 7th, and 8th, and it was at the Sarah Center of the Arts in Orem, Utah. We had Stan Allan, Curtis Hickman, Michael Amar, uh, my old friend Eric Stevens, which I've known for about 10 years, and Tim Hannock. So I want to talk about what you missed if you guys weren't able to go there. All I got to say is, wow, I'm just overloaded with information, totally inspired in the art of magic. I've seen so much incredible magics, so much inspiration. I don't know where to begin. So let's begin with kind of the schedule and how it went. So the first night was 7 o'clock. It was a welcome party, and they had it was at the Mystique. So the Mystique is at Gardner Village in Jordan, Utah, and they had charcuterie board. They had all kinds of amazing food for us. So they had the Utah Magic Championships was held, and that was really an incredible contest. So it was a close-up contest, and then so that was the first night, right? Then we have Friday. So Friday, it didn't start until about 4 p.m. where they had the registration of the dealers open. They had the magic dealers there. I was one of the dealers, and so they had. Let's talk about the first night. So Mike Lamar's lecture was at 6:30, and he gave one of the best lectures I've ever seen in my life. Mike Lamar is absolutely incredible. If you don't know who Mike Lamar is, he's a protege of Di Vernon, and he's a FISM champion, and he's a FISM gold medal winner. He's a Cups and Balls and Top It Master, and he's a magic consultant, and he is also created Easy to Master Card Miracles, 9 volumes, which I highly recommend if you'd like to learn more card magic that is easy for a beginner to bridge the gap between beginner and professional. So it's professional material, but it's very easy to do. So Easy to Master Card Miracles by Mike Lamar is 9 volumes, and I'll have to do another review of that in another video. This video is about the Utah Magic Fest, so really exciting. I connected with Eric Stevens, who I've known for about 10 years, and he has an incredible product, which I'll do a full review of in another video, which is called Sticks. And he had a whole product line there, and he just basically took over the convention with all of his incredible magic. I mean, he is just so awesome. He showed me something. I'm not going to say what it is, but he showed me an incredible card routine. Maybe I'll get his permission to talk about it, and if it's a product he's going to come out with, or maybe not. But he showed me something the first night there, which was just, I wish I could say what it is, but it's going in my repertoire, and it's absolutely an incredible piece of card magic. So let's talk about how the convention went. So the Mike Lamar lecture was just absolutely incredible. I got his lecture notes, and I'll have to do another thing on that. I got to talk with him. I got to ask him some questions about Di Vernon, who was his mentor, because I'm digging into a lot of Di Vernon material, and he did answer these questions. So I'll have to do another video. I'm gonna have to do a video about each thing, but it's totally exciting, guys. So if you missed it, they're gonna do it every year. So just keep it on your radar, because it's going to be every year, and next year it's going to be even bigger. They've had it for about 7 years, and it's getting bigger each year, bigger and better. So Jason Fun is the one that put on the convention, and I want to say thank you to Jason for putting on one of the best magic conventions ever. And so I wanted to say thank you, Jason. Okay,